did on Ocean Park of in Misty's gym. Gordon Snai Polyworld. Why are those guys are so slow? Gordon Snai Poly. They're taking so long. Let's spell. Okay, let's spell. Pika pika. I get here as fast as I can, as my long legs carry me. What's not rebelling? Alright, pika pika. Hey, your own Pokemon has water type. And even Psylocke can know how to swim. Yep. Alright, now let's spell. Go Psylocke. Psyda. Go Poliwhirl. Poliwhirl.
Wala yun eh. Ay, hindi ko naman siya isang ano lang. Yung bang 500.
Go Fantry.
600 na yun. Ay, nandigaling. 500 na yung nabuo. Teka, pakinggan mo.
No, it's four. Green. How are fine? That's very good.
Kakasama pero hindi sama-sama buo.
No, my only Pokemon. Go Pidgeotto. Go Turtwig. Go Buizel. Go Snorlax. Bye-bye. Snorlax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's use your all attacks.
Kuya! Kuya! Kiss mo na yan! Maubos na yung memory card ko.
Wait ng mahal ni Lola.
You may!
Please.
Ay! Tama na!
Ay!
Post lang eh. Ayan na may post. Wala. Ay, di pwede. May nakamasid. Di pwede may nakamasid. Tapos, pagkatapos, di ka na makapasok mo. Eh, wala akong ID. Bukod, kahit na may ID ka niya makapasok kasi wala ka doon sa hindi ka naka-record. Wala pa nga lang. Bata yan.
You're a good trainer. Now let's go at Professor Oak. Yeah. Pika. Alright. Come on, Misty. Pika, pika.
Nagalaplapan din ng dalawang dalaw na hindi makapasok doon. Tapos
I don't want to be the slowpoke.
Hindi. Kasi alam naman nila kung may dala. Alam lang may dala. Alam lang may dala.
I wonder where TV. Hindi ayaw ko!
Sungit mo talaga. Kami naman, madali kami napasok kasi sanay na sila sa amin pagdala namin. Pag-ulat-lat na namin yung kung dala namin. Tapos, pag nag-search na, nakagano na yan.
Later, at Professor Oak's laboratory. Now I wonder, where do we be? Oh, look mo.
Wala kang tinatapos. itago. Kasi iba medyo pa ano-ano pa. Nagdududayan sila. Pag nagdudayan, ay tugas ka dyan.
Bigo.
Sabihin
What's
nila,
happened?
sabi niya, SIM card, cellphone. Wala
Ate?
ko. Ano yung nabawal.